Hi friends and welcome to my channel. This is Maria here and today I am coming with a great idea about how to modify a card that you can use inside your journal. This is a journal, as you probably remember, that I called Mamacitas, and it's made out of cards from the same collection, and it's Dolly Mamas by Joy LLC. So these Dolly Mamas is a full collection of cards. I thrifted all of them and I wanted to have them all in the same place because they look to me so amazing. Look at the beautiful termination and texture of all the dresses and accessories. So in today's video, I'm gonna place this card inside this journal. But as you can see here, this is a card that says, how often I think about you and smile. So as we always talk about self-love and self-care, I printed these different size of letters with me, and me because I want to change this how often I think about me. So I'm gonna change that you for this me. I want to do that change. So in this case, the card is gonna say now how often I think about me and smile. You see the difference? It's super simple. You need to print the word that you wanna glue on top of the text that you already have in a card, and you need to figure out what is the size and the thickness and also the color that you want to add into that word so you can have it perfectly in your card. Nobody is going to notice that this me wasn't here as an original part of the card, and I think it's going to be great. Now you can see the difference, and so I pick one of this and I put it there. How often I think about me and smile. Perfect for this journal because it's all about mamacitas. You can be a mamacita, like we go shopping, we do amazing things with friends, we dress in a cute and original way. So this is for me what is important for this journal. So now let's figure out in what place I want to have this. Initially, I wanted to have in here, like in the back of the cover, but then I ended adding this fabric. I'm gonna link the video down below about the making of this journal and the covering and everything I did, the sewing of the pages. And so now I need to look for a place for this card. This is gonna be hard because even the back of the card is amazing. You see here, it has like that print shape that gives texture and the front part of the card. So this is all in relief. So I don't want to cover that. Honestly, I love it so much. So, and in the back of the card is beautiful too. And I've been adding some of these cuttings that I have around. This is pink, so I love it. It's good for journaling. This orange, I love it. So look how beautiful those ferns are in there. So I glue also this little strip here and a mushroom over there, another piece of heart. These were glue by myself. Here, exactly in the back of the back cover as a pocket too. I guess I'm gonna go with that idea. And also it'll be fine and very good to have it here so I can cover this space that I left without any fabric in there. So let's make a pocket. I'm gonna use these candles I have here to apply some weight on them. And then I found these pages on a magazine with some titles or phrases that I love, like for example, be in nature, think on a ritual, cover your clock, get up. use two blankets. This is in order to sleep more. I think this is super cool, and I want to have it in exactly in this journal. Also, these are tips for stress less, like stretch, walk outside, cancel something, meditate, simple, and inhale peace. I really love it. Now here I will for sure use these pages or part of these pages in this journal because they have the same color and they're super cool. Here also I have this folder, move more, more fun, sleep more, less stress. Let's see, where do we have like a color that matches these colors from here? Here I have the pink and I don't have too much green. It's amazing how a journal can be transformed and how a journal can be also giving you messages, because I always say that journaling is magical. You see things happening, you see that when you open a page, then the images and the materials appear just like magic. Get moving doesn't have anything on the back, so let's grab this get moving. I like the fact that it looks like an index card because it has like this tab here. I like it. So this is what I have. So get moving, and let's see, I want like something pink. Let's look for more pink. Apparently today is a moment, or this episode is about pink. It's just another birthday, you can handle it. Let's put it there. And so the little flap here is gonna appear from the upper part of the page and from here. I can always glue something green like to make this to disappear. Oh, I'm looking at something in here. Look what beautiful thing. This is like stress rated. I love it. Let me see. I want to glue this on top of that. Maybe because it looks nice. Yes, and then I'm gonna have it here on the upper part of the page. Or okay. All right. And now we're gonna go ahead and glue this. Let's leave it like so. And it was wonderful to be here with you. And remember, you can always subscribe to my channel, leave me a thumbs up, and also share this video and comment down below if you believe you are a mamacita and why. And remember, move more, sleep more fun, and less stress. Gonna stay in place. And remember, we also did this alteration here that is super cool. And now it says how often I think about me and smile. I see you in my next episode, mamacitas, and have a great and wonderful night. Bye. Thanks for watching. Thanks, friends. Bye bye. See you soon.